Hi, my name is Rob Siegel, and I'm the managing attorney of the arbitration team here at Rosenbaum Famularo, the law firm behind AmazonSellersLawyer.com. Today I'd like to continue the firm's discussion on the updates to the Amazon Services Business Solutions Agreement, or the BSA, and specifically I'd like to talk about paragraph 16, which discusses password security on the Amazon platform. Now, this paragraph has not changed substantially at all, but it is definitely important for sellers to know how Amazon treats security issues, because as part of the arbitration team, I've seen several sellers who are unfortunately victims of hacked accounts, and we've seen how Amazon treats these situations. However, the new contract, or the contract, has stated that sellers are the ones solely responsible for maintaining their password security. So once again, Amazon is excusing themselves from any liability to protect sellers, in this case in terms of their account security. This is interesting because even though Amazon is limiting their liability, we do once again on a positive note see that in situations where an account is hacked, that Amazon will act responsibly. Now, what do I mean by that? We filed several arbitrations against Amazon specifically for this reason, that they allowed a seller's account to get hacked, and that when a seller tried to act pursuant to the contract and change their password because they knew their account was hacked, Amazon was unable to resolve the issue for our client. So when we do file these arbitrations, we find that although the contract limits Amazon's liability, that Amazon is willing to amicably resolve. And I don't think we've ever had a hacking case that actually went to a hearing. Anytime a seller has come to our firm stating that their account has been hacked, we've been nearly, or I think always 100% successful in getting those sellers back to business. So if you have an account hacking issue, an account security issue, you have questions about the new paragraph 16, or you just want to talk about selling on the Amazon platform, our website has a plethora of information, www.amazonsellerslawyer.com, or you can feel free to give us a call anytime at 1-877-9-SELLERS.